Lakshadweep, without a doubt, is the most beautiful island of India. So, in the last episode, I have shown you how we have reached Lakshadweep, and in this episode, we will explore the nearby islands, and you will be mesmerized by the views which I have captured for sure. So, watch this video till the end. Our second day at Bangaram Island started with this beautiful sunrise, and after having breakfast, we started our journey to Parali Island. So we are at Parali Island right now, and what a beautiful view we had. And also on the way we have seen some turtles, a lot of turtles. They are not coming to the surface, actually they are staying under the water. You cannot actually see them properly, maybe for if you do snorkeling or something. They were so fast, they're just going away like anything. I tried to capture video by like putting my GoPro inside the water. I'm not sure if I captured anything or not. Time to return from this Parali Island, and then we will go to maybe Tinkara. We've seen a lot of turtles over here, but they are not coming to the surface actually. Is that turtle? So that was a jellyfish actually, and it is very venomous. You cannot touch them actually. So a lot of construction work is going on here. We are going to that helipad area again. For that side has some shallow water, so sandbanks will be accessible. The sandbanks we can actually walk to the sandbanks if there is low tide. And at 4 o'clock they had told it will be low tide. Yesterday also we had seen a lot of people were there, but they came by boat. Today we are going, they said the boat is not available, so either you can walk, or if you want to request for a boat, then it will be chargeable. a sandbank. Here is also one, but that is like means accessible. You can walk to that sandbank. So we went there and took some photos and then came back for the sunset here. We are going for snorkeling right now, and let's see how will be the experience. Obviously the water is very clear here. Awesome experience, means awesome snorkeling experience in Lakshadweep. We didn't get to see a lot of colorful corals which I expected, but the fishes, lot of fishes. So if you are coming here, just don't miss the snorkeling. I'm not sure about the scuba diving part, because it was like either you do snorkeling or scuba dive, because we didn't have time. And 9:30 they'll be doing scuba dive, and then 9:30 also snorkeling. So we thought we'll try snorkeling here. After doing the snorkeling, we spent some more time at the beach and captured the most beautiful shots of this trip.
I know that it won't. Díganme now, ya vi que iría, ya que bien now, te gustará.
Then we had our lunch, and after that we went to explore the other end of this island. So this is last day of our Lakshadweep trip, and we will return back tomorrow. So Lakshadweep, the beauty, the color of this water and everything has blown me away actually. Obviously I've heard a lot about Lakshadweep, how beautiful this is, but I have never even imagined that it will be this much beautiful. And even if you do snorkeling actually in this water, you'll get to see a lot of marine life. So you can do kayaking over here. I have not tried it here. We don't have time, and I'm going for sunset actually. Kayaking obviously will be a unique experience here because of this blue water, and right now the water is very still. If you see this condition like this, obviously you should try it. Unfortunately I have to choose between sunset or kayaking, so obviously I'll go for the sunset. So day 3 ends here. So I hope you guys would have liked this video, and if you did, then please do subscribe to my channel, and like, comment and share. And if you want to know specific information about how to book Lakshadweep and all those things, you can let me know in the comments. I'll try to reply. Which fish are these? What?
White snapper.
It's like Bangda fish which we call.
Bangda is another fish.
Yes, white snapper. So finally it is last day of our trip, and we will be heading back to Agatti in some time. So from here to Agatti we will take a boat, again probably 1.5 hours. So few things to remember, like if you are coming to Lakshadweep, there are actually, you need to apply for permit, and for permit you have to get, the first thing is you need to get the police clearance certificate. So that is applicable for other islands. For Bangaram Islands, they don't need the police clearance certificate. You need to book the accommodation and in advance, and everything you need to pay in full in advance, and then you upload those details in their website. If you are not able to do it by yourself, you contact with some some tour operators. So before 15 days of your trip, you need to follow up with your tour operator, or if you are doing it by yourself, you need to upload these documents, all the booking confirmation and other details, so that you can get the permit in time. So for Bangaram Island there is no problem in getting the permit. The only thing is you need to book the accommodation and you will get it. But for other islands, what you need to do is, first you need to apply for a police clearance certificate at your local police station, and then approach a tour operator and give those clearance certificate and details, all your ID, everything. They will get the permit for you. If you don't want to do it for yourself, obviously they will charge some money, but if you want to do it by yourself, first you need to again get the clearance certificate, and you need to upload those things in their official portal. I feel if you go through a tour operator, it will be easy because they have the contacts and they know the process pretty well. You will try to figure out all those things which they already know. So yeah, so this time we didn't had enough time to apply for the certificate and then come here and then go to any other island. So that's why we had just booked this one, so that we don't need to go through all those things. I hope you guys had a very good virtual experience with this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and comment so that I will know what you think about this video. That's it from this trip, and we will meet again in another trip, and we will meet again on another trip. Till then, take care and goodbye. Bye bye.